today I'm going to show you how to make some hummus, or مسبحة is what we call it in Arabic. We made garlic paste today, and this is the video that comes right after it. Instead of washing out my garlic from my blender after we made the paste, I'm just going to make hummus, and since it already has some garlic left in it. Now, I'm making today 3 cans of hummus. If you were to make about 3 cans, you would probably need about a quarter teaspoon of garlic. And you can add garlic, as some people like it with a lot of garlic, some people like it with less. And you know, I would start out with a quarter teaspoon and then go from there. Same with the salt content. So we're gonna need chickpeas or garbanzo beans. We're gonna need some citric acid, salt, and then I have here about 1/4 of a cup of tahini. So I went ahead and rinsed and drained our garbanzo beans, and I'm gonna go ahead and add those in here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1/2 a cup of water. And then we're gonna start out with 1/2 a teaspoon of salt and our tahini.